Welcome to Glimpton Home. Today we're going to do a transformation of this table clock from IKEA. We're going to repaint it in another color and I'm going to add on some details to it to make it look more stunning and elegant. So for this project we're going to need this table clock, a glue gun, doorknobs from IKEA, tape, black paint, and a piece of paper. And here we have the clock, and now it's finished painted, so now it's time to add on the details to it. And here on top of the clock I have marked out the center point, and that's where I'm gonna attach the knob. And here we now have the finished clock. Isn't it stunning and elegant? I'm really pleased with it, and I hope you liked it. So, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.